Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus 10 is equals to 0. So let's start with today's video solution. So first we are going to find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So what is a, b, c? This is the standard form of quadratic equation. If we are compare it with our equation given x square plus 6x plus 10 is equals to 0, then the value of a is 1, coefficient of x square, value of b is 6, and the value of c is 10. So 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 10. So 6 square is 36 minus 40. This gives us minus 4. Negative discriminant gives imaginary roots. So let's find out the roots. So quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. That is our discriminant by 2a. So minus 6 plus minus under root. We can directly put the value of discriminant minus 4 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to minus 6 plus minus root 4 times root minus 1 we can write by 2. X is equals to minus 6 plus minus root 4 is 2 and minus 1 root is iota by 2. So iota represent the imaginary root. So x is equals to, if I'll take 2 as common from numerator, minus 3 plus minus iota by 2. We can cancel out. So x is equals to minus 3 plus minus iota. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.